Hello, this is my final project, Circle of Fifth. The project is set up with Git, is built with React and TypeScript, and the sound is generated with the Web Audio API. Circle of Fifth is a thing in Western music theory, and it looks more or less like this. The purpose of this project is to introduce you to its wonder. How it works is that you just click any of these chord symbols and you will hear the sound of that chord. For example, this is C major, this is G major, and the sound will sustain as long as the mouse stays in the circle. But when the mouse leaves the circle, the sound will stop. You can also let it play automatically. There are two buttons for that. The first one is play Circle of Fifth, and it will play the chord along Circle of Fifth. Another button is play randomly. As you may guess, it just play any chord randomly. And this input is for adjusting the speed. Now on the left side are some select components. You can change the chord type to minor. And the chord symbol for minor will have this lowercase m. This is A minor. Another thing you can change is the sound type. There are 4 options, and these are the basic sound type of the Web Audio API that come out of the box. You can also play with the keyboard itself. You may notice that when the chord is playing, there are some keys on the piano keyboard that turn to blue, like this. And there are small note labels as well. These blue keys are the actual notes that are being played. And the interesting thing is that the notes that construct each chord are not fixed. For example, this D major chord has the top note of D5. The top note is the blue key on the far right. But if I come from G major, now this D major has the top note of A4 instead of D5. How the notes are selected is based on some principle in music theory for good voicing, and this will ensure that the chord progression will sound as best as possible. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Professor Melen, all CS50 staff, and Harvard University for this course, for making me appreciate what a great human invention the computer is, and for sharing this course to everyone.